Thank you very much. Also there, sir.
Here in New Mexico. Everybody sounds good out here in New Mexico. 723, set that.
I better up there around, DX. Maybe you can wave a hand to my friend north of me, Mr. 4878.
You want me to roll a nickel watchmaker to that 4878? I don't know if I want to do that. He'd probably keep that damn nickel.
Should he keep the nickel?
But we'll roll it anyways. I don't know if he'll come back or not. But hey, 4878, we're rolling a 5 from that watchmaker.
Hey, 122, why are you rolling a nickel to the guys in the front of town?
Roll it right back his way. Appreciate you there, 122.
And we're rolling it right back at you, watchmaker. Rolling it right back at you, sir.
Hey, 122, why are you rolling a nickel from watchmaker to 4878 when they can hear each other?
I don't know, 920. I don't know if they can hear each other or not. But hey, I just rolled that nickel. I don't know if that 4878 might have kept a penny or two. I don't know about him, but yes, we just rolled it.
They live in the same
Oh, that sounded different. Robot mode or something there, no doubt.
Watchmaker there. That old super dog down there in Austin. 4878.
Hey, yourself a good one, 4878. Sounding good, and hey, watchmaker, if you're still out there, I don't know if still got conditions on me, but hey, have yourself a good one. Good hearing you out there.
Bye, boy.